I'm ready for the bedroom slide to come in whenever you are.
10-4, let her rip.
Bedroom slide coming in.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Okay, kitchen side ready to come in whenever you're ready.
10-4, take her in.
Kitchen side coming in.
Well, today is a reset travel day. Probably not going to go very far, and we're not really sure exactly where we're going to go next. So it's kind of exciting to not know, right? You don't always have to have a plan. And, you know, we write our plans in the sand anyway. So let's see where we end up next after we dump and fill with water.
Goodbye, Christmas Island.
Bye-bye, Christmas Island. Hola. We are at
Well, we'll try that again.
Hola.
Hola! Guess where we are?
Porta Via Ogilby.
Porta Via Ogilby.
Yeah.
A brand new boondocking spot. You ever heard of it?
Exciting.
Look it up on the map. Porta Via Ogilby.
Yep.
See? Well, we're here for a week.
Yeah, that's all.
I would say just a week.
Yep, probably.
You
Because
know?
then we got to get us up to quartzite.
Yeah, we got to get to quartzite after that. So we'll be
Yep.
here for a little bit longer and then head north to quartzite.
Yep.
I feel like tacos being here at Porta Via
Ooh,
Ogilby.
Yeah.
Tacos would be good.
Yes.
Isn't it Taco Wednesday?
Some quesadilla, or
Quesadillas.
some guacamole,
Or some ponchos?
ponchos.
It's supposed to rain.
Oh yeah, yeah. We have rain ponchos. Yes, there we go. See ya. Adios.
Sayonara. Oh, wait a minute.
No.
Wrong place.
Take your banner